Hello students, how are you all? So today we will be studying grammar of 4th standard. Now our first chapter is the sentence. Now before knowing that what is a sentence, first we will go through the example that is given to you in your first exercise, that is A. Read these words. Now here it is given, few words are given to you. Fruit is a apple and. Now these all are words. Do these words make sense? No, they do not make sense. Why? Because it doesn't have a meaning, it doesn't have a full stop at the end, and the fruit, the capital letter F, it is not capital. So now read the same words in another order. Now in this box there is the sentence is given to you in a order. Now an apple is a fruit. Now do you think this is a sentence? Yes. Why? Because it has a meaning and the letter A and an has a capital and at the end there is a full stop. So this makes a sentence. Now these words make a complete sense and they form what is called a sentence. Now we will go through the definition of a sentence. What is the definition of a sentence? A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Now a sentence is made when there are a lot of words given to you in a correct order. If the order is not correct, so it will not make sense and it will not be called a sentence. So when you write a sentence, you must remember two things. So when you will make a sentence, you have to remember two things. The first thing you have to remember is that the letter should be capital from the word which it begins. For example, we will again see an apple is a fruit. A and an, their A is capital. And a full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. And remember to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. What is a full stop? A small dot that you can see at the end of the sentence. Now here at the end, two sentences are given. One is wrong, the other one is right. Now we will see why this sentence is wrong. An apple is a fruit. Why it is wrong? Because A and an, A is not capital. As we have studied above, A should be capital, A and an, and at the end there should be a black dot, that is full stop. So full stop is not there. So that's why the first sentence is wrong. Now we will see the second correct sentence, the right one, that is an apple is a fruit. Now why the sentence is right? Yes, because in an, A and an, A is capital at the beginning and at the end there is a full stop. So this is a correct sentence. So once again we will revise. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete idea, means that makes a complete meaning that what the sentence wants to say. A sentence always makes sense. It always have a meaning, right? A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A sentence must have at least one doing word. Now, a sentence is also correct when there is a doing word or an action word given to you, that is also called verb. Now, here we will see few examples one again to understand what a sentence actually is. Jill, Jack and went the hill up. These all are words, but it is not a sentence. Why? Because it doesn't have a meaning. What does this sentence wants to say? And Jill. Jill, the J is small. It should be capital, but it is not. And at the end, there should be a full stop, but full stop is not there. So, this is the wrong sentence. Now, how we will write it in the correct form? Jack and Jill went up the hill. Now do you understand what this sentence want to say? Yes, that Jack and Jill, they went up to the hill. And here, do you see that J is capital in the beginning? See, yes, J is capital. And is there a full stop at the end? Yes, the full stop is at the end. So this is the correct sentence. Now we will again see a second example. Mango loves he. What does the sentence mean? No, it doesn't make any sense. But if we see the correct answer, he loves mango. Now do you understand what does it mean? Yes, because it makes a meaning that he loves mango. And is there the first letter in the capital? Yes, H, E, he. H is capital. And is there a full stop at the end? Yes, there is also a full stop at the end. So that means this is the correct sentence. Now the third example, an intelligent she is girl. What is the meaning of this sentence? It doesn't make any sense. So the correct sentence, how we will read it? She is an intelligent girl. Now this is the correct sentence, right? Here S is capital in the beginning and at the end full stop is also there. That means this is a correct sentence. Now same as in fourth example, hard work he. What does this mean, hard work he? It doesn't make a sense. Now, how we will write it in the correct order? He works hard. Now, does it make a sense? Yes. And here, find out whether the first letter is capital or not. Yes, H is capital and at the end, full stop is also there. That means this is a right sentence. Same as the fifth example, lives birds the on tree. What does the sentence mean? It doesn't have any sense. It doesn't make any sense. So, how we will form it in the correct order? The birds lives on tree. Now can we understand what this sentence wants to say? Yes, that the birds live on tree. So it makes a meaning. It makes a complete sentence. And is there the capital letter in the beginning? T? Yes, it is there. And at the end full stop is there? Yes, it is also there. So, it is a correct sentence. So, now students, this is up till here that we have learned what is a sentence and how we have to make a sentence. So, you have to remember all the 4 points that I have told you. Remember it, practice it, and at the end I will be giving you some exercises. So, you have to do it on your own.